Hello guys. So what we're doing today?
Going to the shooting range.
Shooting range, yes sir. Are you excited?
We're excited, very excited.
Brought a special guest over here. She's ready to shoot gun.
She's winning her soccer matches.
He's more excited. Are you excited?
Oh, I was the one who got forced. No,
Forced?
no, she got forced.
Oh.
It's gonna be an exciting video and stay tuned. Right now we're just at the shooting range.
Shooting range. You about to shoot too?
Yeah,
Yo, we got the baby ready.
Yes sir.
A new gun, right?
yes.
What is it?
Smith & Wesson MP50 Sport 22.
Yes sir.
I think.
Yes, sir.
I think I said it correctly.
So right now we're at the shooting range and my brother-in-law finna shoot his new gun that he bought. He didn't buy it, but his father bought it. So, and we're just here at the shooting range. Gonna shoot it over there. Walking to the shooting range. So right now we're having some technical difficulties to unlock the gun lock thing. So
It's not unlocking.
the lock is not locking. The unlock is not unlocking.
Yo, next time.
Right. You guys ready to shoot?
Yeah.
Yep. You ready to shoot?
Oh yeah. Get one.
What is the #1 rule of holding a gun?
Treat a gun like it's loaded.
Yes, sir. So what do you do with that hand of yours?
Always put it down. Always put the hand.
Keep it away from the trigger.
Right,
Away
right.
from the trigger.
Smart.
I've been through it. I've been through it though. This kid, first time. Why are you making me have anxiety right now? The magnifier. You can cut key block, I don't know. You're good. Shoot it off. Off.
Let him take his time, man.
There's some more.
Pull at the thing too.
Go now.
Shoot. Pull it. Why did that go backward then forward? What the heck? The round just went backward then forward.
Make sure you have balance on your leg.
Okay, move your head. Okay. Put one of your legs back behind. Put one of your legs back behind you. No, you can't. Come on.
Wow. We got good aim.
Take a picture. Right here. Just do it. Look at it. Yeah. Faster. Yeah, keep doing it. Take it off safe. Okay. I got it. Look at it. I can't shoot it. I can't.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Go ahead.
Quick, it's gone. Who's gone?
So we just got done shooting, and let me show y'all the target and what we hit. No aim at all, guys. God damn. So is this your first time shooting?
Yes.
How was it?
It was very fun.
Very fun?
Interesting and exciting.
Oh yes. Was it loud?
Not really. It was alright.
It was alright.
Like we need bigger guns.
Ooh.
Like bazooka, you know?
Oh yo,
Yo.
you want the big boys. So how was it?
It was good.
Was it your first? Is this your first time shooting?
Yes.
Yes.
I went shooting because I wanted to shoot my ops.
What the heck?
Where's my phone? Give me.
Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video.